Imagine looking up at the sky and realizing that what you're seeing isn't science fiction anymore. The next generation of air combat has officially stepped out of secrecy and into reality. Nations are no longer just upgrading old jets, they're rewriting the rules of warfare itself. Invisible wings, thinking machines, pilotless cooperation, and power that decides conflicts before a missile is even fired. Today, we are diving into the world's top 2 sixth-generation fighter jets that have been officially unveiled, machines designed not just to dominate the skies, but to control the future of war. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why these aircraft could change global power forever. Welcome back, and if you're fascinated by cutting-edge military technology, aviation breakthroughs, and the future of global defense, you're in the right place. Here, we break down complex defense systems into clear, engaging stories so you can understand what's really happening behind the headlines. If you enjoy deep dives like this, make sure you stay connected and never miss what's coming next. For decades, fighter jets have been the ultimate symbol of military power. From the early dogfights of World War II to stealth aircraft like the F-22 and F-35, each generation brought new capabilities. But sixth-generation fighters are not just faster or stealthier, they represent a complete transformation in how air combat works. These jets are designed to fight alongside drones, use artificial intelligence to assist pilots, and dominate the battlefield across air, land, sea, space, and cyber domains. Among all the projects revealed so far, 2 stand above the rest as the most advanced and influential. The first is the United States Next Generation Air Dominance Program, commonly known as NGAD. Unlike traditional fighter programs, NGAD is not just a single jet. It's a family of systems centered around a manned fighter aircraft that works seamlessly with unmanned wingmen, often called loyal wingman drones. The U.S. Air Force has already confirmed that a full-scale NGAD demonstrator has flown, making it the first sixth-generation aircraft to take to the skies. What makes NGAD revolutionary is its adaptability. Instead of building one aircraft to serve for decades, the NGAD concept focuses on rapid development and replacement cycles. This means new technologies can be integrated much faster than before. The aircraft is expected to feature extreme stealth, far beyond current fifth-generation jets, using advanced materials, adaptive surfaces, and electronic warfare systems that can confuse, blind, or disable enemy sensors before a fight even begins. Speed and range are also critical. NGAD is designed to operate across the vast distances of the Pacific, meaning it will likely have significantly longer range than current fighters. Advanced engines with adaptive cycle technology will allow the jet to switch between fuel efficiency and maximum thrust as needed. This gives it the ability to cruise efficiently and then unleash immense power during combat. Artificial intelligence plays a central role. The pilot will not be alone as systems will constantly analyze threats, manage sensors, suggest tactics, and even control accompanying drones. These unmanned aircraft can scout ahead, jam enemy radar, carry weapons, or sacrifice themselves to protect the main fighter. In this system, the pilot becomes a battlefield commander rather than just someone flying a jet. Now let's turn to the second major contender, China's sixth-generation fighter project, often associated with the J-36 designation, which has been officially acknowledged through state media and visible test imagery. While China has not revealed as much detail as the United States, what we do know suggests a highly ambitious program designed to challenge U.S. air superiority directly. China's approach appears to focus heavily on stealth, long-range engagement, and integrated network warfare. The aircraft is rumored to feature a tailless or near-tailless design, which significantly reduces radar visibility. This kind of configuration suggests China is pushing aerodynamic and control technologies to their limits, relying on advanced flight control systems and eye assistance to maintain stability. One of the most striking aspects of China's sixth-generation concept is its emphasis on information dominance. The jet is expected to be deeply integrated into China's broader military network, sharing data with satellites, ground stations, naval forces, and other aircraft in real time. This allows it to act not just as a fighter, but as a flying command and sensor node, coordinating attacks across multiple domains. There is also strong speculation that China's sixth-generation jet will feature optional manning. This means it could be flown by a pilot or operate entirely unmanned for high-risk missions. This flexibility gives commanders more options and reduces the risk to human life in extremely contested environments. Combined with hypersonic or very long-range weapons, this aircraft could engage enemies from distances that were previously unimaginable. When comparing these two platforms, it's important to understand that sixth-generation fighters are not meant to dogfight in the traditional sense. These jets are designed to detect, track, and destroy enemies long before visual contact. Whoever controls information, sensors, and decision-making speed will win. In this area, both the US and China are investing massively in artificial intelligence, quantum-resistant communications, and electronic warfare. Another key difference lies in philosophy. The US unveiled program emphasizes flexibility and rapid evolution, while China's approach appears more centralized and focused on long-term strategic integration. Both strategies have strengths, and the outcome will likely shape air combat for the next half-century. What makes this competition even more significant is its global impact. Allies of the United States may eventually gain access to derivative technologies from unveiled, strengthening collective defense networks. At the same time, China's advancements push other nations to accelerate their own programs, including Europe and potentially Russia. This race is not just about jets, it's about who defines the future rules of warfare. As we move forward, one thing is clear: sixth-generation fighters are not just aircraft, they are systems of systems. They combine manned and unmanned platforms, artificial intelligence, cyber warfare, and space-based assets into a single, coordinated force. The unveiling of these two jets marks the beginning of a new era where air superiority is decided by data, adaptability, and speed of innovation. If you found this breakdown insightful, stay tuned.